Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'll be making tiger nuts drink. So this is going to be the outcome when I'm done. So guys, we have dates, we have tiger nuts, we have coconuts, and we have some ginger. This is a very nice combo. So guys, the most important and interesting thing about this drink is the health benefits. Do you know that tiger nuts drink boasts libido levels? It is rich in nutrients, rich in fiber, and also it contains disease-fighting antioxidants. It also reduces blood sugar levels and improves digestion. Amazing. So guys, I'm starting up now. I'm taking it bit by bit for easy blending. So this is how it is looking when it's blended out very well. Like I said earlier, I'm taking it bit by bit for easy blending. I'm also adding a little amount of water because I don't want the drink to be watering but creamy. Guys, if it's your first time of coming across my video, please don't forget to subscribe, give my video a thumbs up, comment, like and share, and also turn on your notification button so when I post a new video you'll be notified. I'm extracting the milk now, so I'm using a sieve to extract the milk. And the kind of sieve that I'm using is the one that has the most tiniest hole. So this kind of sieve can only extract the milk, leaving the chaffs. I'm making sure that the milks are being extracted because I don't want to leave anyone behind. So guys, our milk is ready. This is a milk drink that produces dairy-free combo which can be used as an alternative for cow milk. They are allergen, gluten, and dairy-free. So you can actually use this as an alternative for cow milk. Enjoy your freshly made tiger nuts milk. This is best served chilled. Thanks for watching.